friends, welcome to Get Your Play Online's Try It Out Tuesdays. I'm Lindy. Today, we are going to be using science to create these really cool rainbow papers. Have you ever wondered why, even though bubbles are clear, you can see all of the different colors of the rainbow in them? This is because of something called thin film interference. Let's check out an example. The back of this CD looks like a mirror, but when I put it under the light and move it back and forth, I can see all of the different colors of the rainbow. The CD has a thin film covering it. This film changes the way the light hits the CD and makes us be able to see the rainbow colors. Let's see if we can use a thin film of nail polish to create rainbow paper. If you want to follow along and make rainbow paper too, here's what you'll need. You're going to need clear nail polish, paper, and we're going to use black, white, and then at least one color. I've chosen blue, but you can choose any color, or you can get a bunch of different colors. We're also going to need water in either a dish or a pan, scissors, and those funny looking things in the corner are tongs, and they are optional, but they'll help make our job easier. Fill your bowl or pan up with water from the faucet. Let's start with our black paper. Make sure it's small enough to fit in the pan or the bowl, and put it in the water and push it all the way down to the bottom. I haven't had any problems with nail polish getting on my pan, but you could always put tin foil in the bottom just to be safe. Unscrew the top to your nail polish, and we're going to drop 1 to 2 drops into the water. Then we're going to take out our piece of paper. Try not to let it be in there for more than 3 to 5 seconds after you drop your nail polish into the water. The longer the nail polish dries on the water, the more chance that it won't turn out quite as well as we want it to. Use your fingers or the tongs to take the paper out. Put it on paper towels or a plate to dry for about 2 to 5 hours. It looks like using nail polish as a thin film worked, and we were able to create rainbow paper. Do you think our paper will look different if it's under a bright light? Let's see. Take your rainbow paper outside to a window, or if it's not a sunny day where you are, under a lamp or a bright light. Here's my rainbow paper on black paper under a bright light. Do you notice anything different? Colors look so much brighter. What do you think will happen if I move the paper around? Let's try by tilting the paper back and forth under the bright light or sunlight. Wow, I'm seeing different colors depending on which way I turn the paper under the light. How many colors do you see in the paper? I count 6 colors in my paper. There's yellow and orange, pink, green, blue, and purple. How many colors can you find in your paper that you made? We were able to make rainbow paper using nail polish with our black paper. Do you think it would work with other colors of papers? Let's try it with our white and our blue color. Do you think it will make rainbow paper? If it does, do you think we'll see the same colors? Let's test it out and see if you're right. Put your white paper into the water, get it all the way wet, and push it down to the bottom. Then you're going to drop 1 or 2 drops of nail polish onto the top of the water, take your paper out, and put it to the side to dry. Next, let's do the colored paper that you chose. I chose blue, but you can choose any color, or you can do a bunch of different colors if you want to do all the colors of the rainbow. Let's check on our white and color paper once it's dry. Now that it's dry, let's see if your guess was right about if we could make rainbow paper with colors other than black paper. It worked! We were still able to make rainbow paper with blue paper. Let's check it out when we move it around under the light back and forth. The rainbow colors on my blue paper change when I move it around under the light, just like it did with my black paper. How many colors do you see? Let's check out what our white paper looks like now that it's dry in the sunlight. Here's what it looks like on the back with no nail polish. And here's the side with the nail polish. Let's move it around under the light. Do you notice anything different about our rainbow colors on the white paper than when we had the blue or black? We were still able to make rainbow paper, but the colors don't seem quite as bright as they did on the other colors of paper that we used, the blue and the black. How many rainbow colors can you count on your white paper? We were able to make rainbow paper on all of the colors of paper that we tried: black, blue, and white. Do you think we'd still be able to make rainbow paper if we changed the shape of the paper that we put into the water? Let's try it and find out. Draw different shapes onto your paper. I chose a cloud, a heart, and a flower. And then go ahead and cut out all of the shapes. Put your shapes in the water in your pan or in your bowl. Then go ahead and unscrew the nail polish, drop a drop in, and take them out to dry. Let's check out some of our paper shapes and see if we were still able to make rainbow paper. Even making shapes out of our paper, we were still able to make rainbow paper. We found that we were able to use thin film interference to make rainbow paper. We used clear nail polish to make a film on paper. Once it dried, we saw rainbows. We found that we were able to make rainbow paper no matter what color paper that we used, black, white, or a color like blue. We were also able to make rainbow paper even when we made shapes out of our paper, like flowers or clouds or hearts. I love this activity because not only do we get to play with science and experimenting, but we also created a really cool rainbow paper. Now that we're done, you can display your rainbow paper somewhere that you'll get to look at the beautiful rainbows like your refrigerator. You could also get creative and use your rainbow paper and the shapes that you made to make crafts or make cards for your friends or family from the rainbow paper. I had so much fun making rainbow paper today, and I hope that you had a blast too. I would love to see how your rainbow paper turned out, so definitely take a picture and tag Get Your Play Online so I can check yours out. I hope to see you next time on Get Your Play Online's Try It Out Tuesday. Bye, friends!